Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to recover deleted videos on your YouTube. To do this, first of all, open the YouTube application. And then click on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And then if you scroll down, then there you will see help and feedback. Hit on that. Once you are here, click on send feedback and add all the description over here that you want to recover your deleted videos. You can also mention the title of the videos or anything that is in the video to specify that one. So in this very simple way, you can recover deleted videos on your YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.